you began to ask the question kung bakit grabe yung flash floods dito when we have 26,600 billion for flood control projects. So yun lang naman sa akin. I begin to ask question, bakit ganun? 26.6 plus 600 plus billion yung dito, flood control funds. And yet, ito yung nangyayari sa amin. Tino is worse than Odette. Yes, in terms of rainfall. Kasi yung Odette, malakas yung hangin doon. Itong Tino, grabe, yung flooding talaga. Yeah, nakita namin and we submitted already reports regarding this one.
Okay.
But, yes.
Can you share the reports? Anong natuklasan po ninyo, ma'am?
I think it's for ICI to divulge the information that we have submitted. But definitely,
No, tuloy niyo, ma'am.
But definitely, we have seen, projects here in the province na, I should say, mga ghost projects. We have submitted the reports already. But what I can say is we have seen substandard projects as well. At saka may mga bulk water projects na ginamit yung mga license to some contractors na hindi naman sila yung gumawa.
Okay.
Yun lang masabi ko for now, Karen.